By the way, what's up, guys? What's up, you awesome kisters? Today I'm with my buddy Ashteen, and what the? It's just twerking. Today we're gonna be lighting some fireworks. Any fireworks that you see, they're mine. I'm taking credit for everything awesome that happens. You plebs. Whoops. Oh, okay.
It's raining. Fireworks.
It can't be. If it's raining fireworks, then it'll be coming down.
I've gotten hit with 3.
Yeah, try to take a bottle rocket to the head.
Oh, I've taken 1 to the forearm.
Yeah, whatever, but your forehead's much better.
Yeah.
Bop!
I'm gonna stab you. And I bet
Distraction!
You need one in?
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's the thing you
Oh,
what we use.
ah, God. I hit you. Oh, no, I got hit with a fire.
Oh, what the?
Oh, shoot! Light them up, boy.
Awesome.
I'm on fire. These are my fireworks. Money well spent. Come on, give me another one. Boom! Yes, dominating the neighborhood. Oh, that's great. Dang! Yeah, money well spent.
Yep.
I'm about to light for that video.
For your YouTube channel?
Yep.
Like and fucking film at the same time, man. You gonna get yourself killed.
Go, 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 go. Back up.
Elijah, get back.
Dang! Holy fuck! Okay. You're right, commencing.
How aliens anal probe.
How aliens anal probe. The hell is my life anymore? I didn't know what he bought.
Money well spent.
Yes, money well spent.
Look at the cloud.
This is my dad's doing, not mine. Okay. I like how he gets straight to cleaning after he lights it, though. Bah! Boom.
Will any mall off tonight?
I think so. Dang.
Very festive.
My favorite tree's gonna light on fire, and I'm gonna be mad.
Oh, my tree got struck by lightning.
Your tree got stuck. What?
Yeah, it got stuck by lightning.
This is bullcrap. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you're full.
I'm not smart with counting. There's literally a.
I was gonna set your whole room.
Okay.
He's gonna aim it straight
When
there.
pigs fly, this is one. Okay. Whoa. Dang, that's what happens when pigs fly?
We got him. Okay.
That's dang. Dude, I seen these type of videos. Oh my god, look at this. This is what we call the extendo. Ouch! Ouch! This is what we call the extendo blunt. Out of me, wah. Oh crap.
Ooh.
Ah.
Ah. Ow.
Just like one fell in your mouth.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll this one. Bah! Dang.
Ooh, that was.
Holy ball. Ow!
Balls?
Yes,
That's what
holy.
you just said.
Holy balls, yes.
You can have this.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Story time coming later about this.
Dude, the fireworks didn't even make it out of the tube.
Did not even make it out of the tube, it just blew up.
That truck saved us.
The truck saved us. Thank you, Mr. Truck. Where's that? Okay.
Ooh. Pretty.
Knew we should have got some mortar shells. Why did I say anything? I got
You're
some.
better. Huh? You're better. Those were just.
Failure.
What's that one?
Bop. Oh!
Hey! Yeah.
Ow!
I have my eye.
Oh, this is better than the acid trip, man. Ouch! Oh! That just hit my head! Holy! Ow! Oh! Freaking shell just hit my arm. It's gonna be that one time that he blows off his fingers. But I still like my uncle for lighting that, though.
Ooh, that's
Okay. Oh!
Ooh.
Next. What? That was it?
It was one of them.
I put them there when needed.
Right?
I said I put the epilepsy when they're needed.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Okay, we need to stop looking up and just look down. We both have glasses, but still, it's a ball. Dang. That it? I thought I just see one more go up. I feel bad.
We pretty much got it for free.
Oh. You want to bring them out?
How many? 2? 3?
TJ, you want to sit down on a chair?
Here?
2 for the price of 1. Oh, crap. Oh, dang! Whoa! Dang! Whoa. Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
That's it? Oh, okay.
3,
Whoa!
1.
Wednesday, my plebs. The box, if you can't see that, the box, freaking, dude, that box nearly toppled over. We were about to be screwed. Mom said you were going. Oh, Mom said you were going back to Granny's with him tomorrow. What the hell? It is Wednesday, my dude. Oh!
Yeah,
Shut up. Alright, boom, baby.
Oh, there's a car.
Oh my god.
Y'all can't see nothing.
Yeah, I can.
Get over. Get over this way.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's do shoulder. Hold on, after this one.
There you go. I got your chair.
Alright, thanks. Trying to get the rest of this footage out. It is 4th of July, my dude.
Yes.
Rubs up something else that's.
Yeah.
How was that Snapchat?
Your camera angle suck, mate.
It sounds like it's
My mixtapes start forest fires.
when he says his mixtape's fire.
And then all you see is just a freaking smoke cloud.
Okay, I'm about to call Anthony. This is my last time.
Ah.
Whoa!
Are you? That was.
Oh! Dang! Whoa! Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Ah! Oh my god! Okay. Great. Oh, nice. Nice. That's just beautiful. Okay, I almost just hit the clip. Oh my god, bro!
It's gone.
Oh, oh.
Go to the light, Jimmy.